I have LG G4 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's use the apps icon, choose settings. Let's use the display and select here home screen. If you would like to change the home screen wallpaper, let's tap here wallpaper, and you can select some wallpaper from the gallery, from the wallpaper gallery, from the live wallpapers, from the multi-photo, or from the photos. In my case, let me use from the wallpaper gallery. Let me choose, for example, the following one, and let's tap set wallpaper. The wallpaper has been changed. You can also go back right here and choose lock screen, and you can set up the wallpaper on your lock screen. So let me also choose wallpaper gallery. In my case, it could be the following one, tap set wallpaper, and that's it. As you can see right here, you've got the wallpaper on your home screen, and you've got also the new wallpaper on your lock screen right here. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.